This is your new car. Welcome. Thank you for adopting this car. Tell us what you're about to do with it.
Well, I'm about to blast off and drive to Oakland, California, and from there ship the car over to Honolulu so I can enjoy it on the island of Oahu.
And why? Why this car? Why now?
Good question. 50 years ago, my wife and I married, and 52 years ago, I used to date my wife in the same car. It was blue, but it was basically the same thing. And there's a wonderful way for us to relive wonderful old memories the Bugeye guys are making it possible.
Oh, thank you. And how long do you figure it will take you?
Well, I have blocked off about 15 days, but that includes probably 5 days of stops to see family and friends along the way. So all going well, it's probably 9, 10, 11 days driving.
And what routing do you think you'll take?
Well, I think I'm just going to go pretty much straight through. We've tested the car out here on the highway, and I feel comfortable going at a reasonable highway speed. It's quicker that way, and if I decided I wanted to stop or have a surprise along the way, I know that it might be a more conservative way. So I'll do that, go through Chicago, basically across the plains, and over the Rocky Mountains into Utah to see family in Salt Lake City. Then I'll go down south a little ways and then across to Oakland.
Is there any particular kind of stop you like to make? Like, you have a hobby, or you visit some sort of attractions that are, something you like, or?
Well, I love the national parks. Any park, any place. They're not all right on the freeway, but if I'm lucky, I can kind of pull off and enjoy one of those. Really looking forward to going through the Rocky Mountains, though, west of Denver. There's some beautiful, beautiful areas. We used to live in Colorado, so I'm going to explore around there. Assuming I get myself over there in time that I can work it in.
Good, good. And then this car is pretty much a survivor car. It's a 948 car. With a 4-speed and 4 drum brakes. Why this particular car?
2 reasons. Memories. It was really the very same car, engine, etc. The other thing is it's just the deal that my wife and I enjoyed timing in. And also, frankly, it's really affordable in relative terms. So those 3 things are the main issues that made me select this. Also, I really like patina. I have old cars and old motorcycles at home, and to me, there's a certain authenticity and something special about proving how old it is.
Excellent. Thank you so much for entrusting us with preparing this car, and we'll put together a little care package of all the survival gear that you'll need. No, I think you're in good shape. We've addressed the common issues and the drivability issues that we know from experience are at risk, and we'll look forward to hearing some good stories from the road. Thank you again for taking home one of our cars.
My pleasure. As we say in Hawaii, mahalo. Thank you very much.
Thank you.